America's aging infrastructure. Every
Concerns are growing that in the years to come, the lights will go out.
Installed in
Gas-generated electricity is actually
all
dispatched
of its electricity from.
The era of open access is upon us, and with it comes the power to choose. As the country gets ready for a more competitive landscape in retail electricity supply, the continued success of your industry will be assured by your most empowered choice. MPower, the local retail electricity supply arm of Meralco. Honed by over a century of market leadership in the Philippine electricity business and finding better ways to extend its services to the Filipino people. With MPower, the same dedication and heritage of Meralco's expert quality service becomes available to you. Our people, our products and value-added services, our institution's corporate vision to be the leading standard of what an energy partner should be. MPower will help you understand and manage your electricity usage.
We credit MPower for much of the activities and also for really creating that strategic relationship between us, not just as supplier or customer, but as strategic business partners, which has made the transformation possible. MPower stands a great chance of succeeding when we enter a true competitive position in the year 2016. I think the key revelation for us has been that we needed to learn a lot more about the power industry's pricing structure and specifically MPower's, so we could really find how it relates to our business. As an example, I think when MPower approached us with this idea of load factor-based pricing, we found that the load factor was something which we could actually control. And we actually had the systems in the factory to be able to monitor our utilization and find a way to optimize the load factor so that it was a win-win for MPower and for ON Semiconductor. I think with that approach, we have actually been able to closely monitor, and we see how that translates to our bottom line and into the savings for the company.
MPower will collaborate to fulfill your short and long-term needs to meet your financial objectives.
Firstly, MPower has done a great job in getting us to understand our theoretical versus actual power consumption. Of course, this is the start to figuring out what the potential is. We have had great coordination with MPower, with our facilities and our engineering team. That's key. It's been the basis of a great relationship. It's been very interactive. MPower has got all of the state-of-the-art power monitoring devices and the power load analysis that we really need, which is the basis for managing our consumption and our cost. On a unit cost basis, the good news is we've seen a great decline from 7.01 pesos to 6.7 pesos per kilowatt hour since we became a customer in January. That's 4.4%. As it relates to consumption, we have had a decline even larger of 7.2% fewer kilowatt hours. When you multiply all of that out, it's good basic math, we're saving about 5 million pesos per month, which is a lot of money. Been a big success story for us all along. When you add up the advice, the support, the information, the ability to understand our operation, and in the results, the numbers really tell the story at the end of the day. It's been a big success all around, both in terms of the relationship, allowing us to see how we can improve our operation, and it's been a very positive impact on the bottom line for us.
At MPower, our highly motivated team of energy professionals is dedicated to build long-term ties with you. MPower will provide you valuable access to its broad group of subsidiary and affiliate companies.
MPower is really a true partner Electrical power that is sustained and consistent is essential in running all our equipment, which translates into success rates and patient safety. They've also given us information that are valuable in terms of scheduled and non-scheduled outages so that we can prepare for that kind of situation. This may be quite technical, but it actually, in other words, translates to patient success rates in terms of treatment. Recently, we've been talking about a program called the Demand Response Program, wherein if there is a decrease in power in the grid, then St. Luke's can run our gensets for about 2 to 3 hours and be paid for running it. And this is the kind of trustworthiness that I believe MPower is known for. And I've mentioned promoting your business or improving your business, even in terms of monetary returns. This is a fine example of that kind of trustworthy partnership.
MPower lets you focus on your business while we deliver the customized service you need.
Definitely, as a major criteria for Unilab, we need actually a steady supply of power and, more importantly, clean power. We were guided by MPower to go through all the requirements and the qualifications until the actual operation of the first facility we have. We also believe that relationships with our partners is actually a long-term thing. And therefore, as we progress and as we migrate to open access for some of other facilities, MPower will come in and play a very important role.
With MPower, you become more competitive with our wide range of products and services available at your fingertips.
Being an industry group and power being one of the very important resources, it is important that we have very current information on what is going on in the power industry. What you call as customized service, this we feel very well. Like glass manufacturing power is really a very, very important resource. We cannot afford any minute of power interruption. In fact, even flickers, even fluctuations is very much felt by our operations. Many things have been done. And we are happy with the support that we're getting from Meralco and MPower. We've worked with Meralco then on how to improve this service so that our operations will not be affected. And this continued on. And we rely on MPower to continue that kind of customized service. The information that we got is something that can really be used by the members. Plan ahead, what to anticipate. These are the things that are required and needed by members of the industry so that they can stay competitive. And that is the role of the Federation in support of its members.
Today, MPower believes that what's good for your business is also good for the country. As it understands the challenges you face, it makes every effort to develop new solutions for your particular needs, with competitive pricing products to help you manage your financial objectives. Because we are more than just electricity, we empower your business. And with your partnership, together, we can empower the nation. MPower, empowering the future.